In this video, I am going to talk about BlockDag and whether it's a scam or legit in 2025. BlockDag is gaining attention in the crypto space, but it's essential to know the facts before getting involved. What is BlockDag? BlockDag, or Block-Directed Acyclic Graph, is a new type of blockchain technology that aims to improve scalability and speed. Unlike traditional blockchains, BlockDag allows for multiple blocks to be created simultaneously, making transactions faster and more efficient. It's an innovative technology, but is it worth trusting? Is BlockDag legit or a scam? Legitimate technology. BlockDag itself is a legitimate concept, and it has been backed by some credible developers and organizations. The technology aims to improve scalability and reduce bottlenecks that can occur in traditional blockchains. Look for red flags. Be cautious of platforms or projects claiming to use BlockDag without providing proper details or transparency. Some projects may use the technology's name to attract investments but might not have a viable product. Check reviews and community feedback. Research the community's response to BlockDag-related projects. If people are genuinely excited about the technology and providing positive feedback, it could be a sign of a legitimate initiative. Regulation and security. Ensure that any investment or project based on BlockDag complies with regulations and has security measures in place. Be wary of projects that seem to promise unrealistic returns without proper security and transparency. Conclusion: BlockDag itself is not a scam. However, like any emerging technology, be sure to do thorough research before getting involved in any project that claims to use it. Always check for legitimacy, transparency, and community feedback to avoid potential scams. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.